Hi guys, this is Droid Android Play, and this video is to let you know about Samsung S7 Edge pop-in screen and how to use that feature. When you open multiple apps, it will run on background. Once you click recent app, it will display all your recent apps. To get all your recent apps in pop-in screen, what you have to do is click this top tab and drag it into the center and drop it. Now it will show in the pop-in screen. And do the same to all your recent apps, and now you can see all your recent apps in one screen. And you can use it all of them at one screen. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching this video guys.